Hello there. In this video, I want to follow up my solving absolute value equations video with how to solve inequalities. Now, there's no difference between solving an equation in the two videos that I've already done and solving inequalities. It's the same process. We're just giving ourselves additional practice with our skills. So I'm going to start by distributing this 2. I get 2x minus 6 plus 2. Then I'll even go ahead and take a second to simplify this. So I get 2x, negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4. And then I get negative 4x plus 5. So I'm going to go ahead, and add 4x to both sides. And honestly, why not? This cancels. I'm going to go ahead and add 4 to both sides so I can cancel this at the same time. The more you do these problems, the more you get used to it, the more you might feel confident in taking multiple steps at the same time. So I get 2x plus 4x, that's just 6x, and I get 5 plus 4 equals 9. Divide by 6, and I get x equals 9/6 simplifies to 3/2. Awesome. Let's go ahead and do our second problem today. Again, I'm going to start by distributing my negative 4. I'm also going to take the time to subtract this 7. Okay. We get negative 4 times 2 is negative 8x. Negative 4 times a negative 3, that would be a positive 12. And then 1 minus 7 is negative 6, so less than or equal to negative 6. Let's go ahead and subtract 12. I get negative 8x less than or equal to negative 6 minus 12 is negative 18. And here we get to the real crux of why I wanted to do a separate video on solving inequalities, is because of the one rule where when you divide or multiply by a negative in the effort to solve at any point, you have to take the inequality and you have to flip it. Negative 18 divided by 8, well, we get a 2 out of each of those, and the negatives cancel, so we get positive 9 out of 4, and we have our answer. But again, the key thing, when you divide or multiply by a negative, take that inequality, flip it around. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.